What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with more tech and more reviews. And this time we're going to be looking at a magnetic wireless power bank from Exo. Let's check it out. So as you can see, I got my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here, and this is the device that we're going to be looking at. So this is a magnetic wireless charging power bank. This is the JuiceCard V2. Now, this is by Exo. I'm going to drop that link below so you can check that out for yourself. But let's get into what comes in here. So you actually have the wireless charging bank itself right here. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank, has an on-off switch on the front. You got LEDs right there on the front as well. This button down here lets you see your LED lights. You flip it over on the back. You actually get a really strong magnetic pull from the back. Now, this little piece is going to actually go into your phone case, and this is the piece that's going to attach to the outside. So you got a nice magnetic clip right there. On the sides, you have micro USB, USB Type-C, and USB 3.0. Let's see what else we have in the box. Comes with a USB Type-C as well as micro USB to USB-A. So they thought about everybody when they put those in the box. It also comes with a magnetic vent clip that I have right here. We'll put that in the car for later on. Now let's get all of this out of the way for right now and let us talk about the device itself. So first things first, you actually have to put this on your phone. So what you got to do now, this will work like this. Let me show you. I'm going to turn this on. So it's on, right? And these are wireless charging devices, right? So you lay it on there and it does charge. It works. But what we want to do is actually put this in a case and show you the magnetic fit, because this is just not strong enough to hang on to the back. So what I'm gonna do is I got a case right here. Now this is just a plain case. I think it's from Caseology. Now this is just a plain case. It's from Caseology, nothing special. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit this down in there. As we can see, these are actually labeled top as well as bottom. You're gonna pop it in that way. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lay my phone down on top of that. Just like that. So it fits right back behind there. It's super slim, super slick, super easy to use. So once you have it in there, it's actually in the back of there. It's nice, snug fit. It's not hindering anything. What you got to do is now take this, pop it on, and then let's see, hook it to the back, and there we go. We got charging on the go with a magnetic grip on the back. So you're not gonna have to worry about this kind of slipping off of here. Once you put it on, it stays on. This is extremely slim. You can pop it on there and put it down in your bag. You can put it down in your purse. You can even put it in your pocket if you want to, but it's gonna make your pocket kind of thick. But I like the concept of this magnetic charger. It's basically just gonna pop on, turn it on, and charge it up. And that's pretty much it. No hassle, no fuss. Now, as a side note, if you have thicker cases such as a UAG Monarch, and this is my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, if you have thicker cases, it does not work through some of the thicker cases that are out there. And also, when you put the little metal piece behind here in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it actually makes the pen act just a little wonky. So it has a few issues with the pen, and since this pen is actually Bluetooth, there are a few problems with it hanging out right back there. So that's really the only issue that it's having with the Note 10 Plus, but it will work as a wireless charger on the Note 10 Plus. You just won't get that magnetic aspect of it. You can still sit it down. You can put it down on the back. It'll still charge. But as far as putting this behind there, once you attach this, you get some S Pen issues because that shouldn't come up. But that's the only thing. Once you put that little piece of metal back there, you get those S Pen issues. So no worries. Even if you like the magnetic aspect of it and you have a Note 10 Plus, you can still utilize this device by just laying it on top of it. It makes a nice portable charger just because it's so slim, it's so easy to use, but it seems to be a pretty solid device. So I give this one a thumbs up. Big shout out to Exo. They did a nice job. The matte finish on it and the actual compact form factor of it makes it a really nice device. So as I mentioned earlier, I'll drop that link below so you can check this out for yourself. This is the JuiceCard V2 by the company Exo. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.